Warning! It's made in China. Do not buy this. Guten Tag! Was ist los jeder? Ich bin Kimmerman und herzlich willkommen auf meinem Kanal Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Ich habe hier ein Kunststoffmodell aus dem Anime oder Movie Gundam Wing Endless Waltz. Und das ist der Gundam Heavyarms Custom. Das ist meine liebste Gundam überhaupt. So this is my most favorite Gundam in the series, and this is none other than the Heavyarms Custom. And this is the reason I also wear my Heavyarms t-shirt because I'm a fan of Troll Barton from that anime, and his mobile suit is really badass. So I bought this Heavy Arm custom kit from a guy named Antonio Siochi here in the Philippines. He's from Santa Mesa, and I'm very thankful that he's a legit seller, and he sold this to me for the price of 2,500 pesos. And just a reminder to all my Filipino friends here, sa mga Pilipino kong kababayan, kung kayo bibili ng mga Gundam or Gunpla kits or any items dyan sa Facebook, mag-ingat kayo, lalo na kung ang mga seller ay galing or not all the sellers from Pampanga, but based on my experience, most seller that has a Pampanga address, they are scammers, so beware, ha? This is just a friendly reminder, paalala lang sa mga kababayan natin dyan sa Pilipinas. Beware, ha? So, thank you very much. Dankeschön, Mr. Antonio Siochi, for selling me this at a reasonable price, and I'm very happy to build this now, and let's check this kit out. Los geht's! So this is the Heavyarms custom box from Supernova. Die Farbe der Box ist blau mit hellblauem und dunkelblauem Formdesign. Die Box sieht schön und einfach aus. It's very simple. The design is simplistic, and I like the color combination of this kit. So there's nothing much in this box, and it's just a blue, dark blue and light blue colored box. So los geht's, let's open the box. So if you open the box, you will see this. This is the instruction manual. Die Bedienungsanleitung ist einfach gestaltet. So the instruction manual is simple, and you can see here the straightforward design for most Supernova and Chinese model kits. So this is I think an easy build, very nice, and there it's black and white, and you can see here the code for the decal placement, the machine gun color scheme, and we have a stand included for the machine gun. So let's talk about the color scheme. Das Farbschema des Kunststoffmodells sind grau, dunkelblau, hellblau und etwas gelb. So what I mean that in German or in English, the color scheme for this plastic model are gray, dark blue, light blue, and somehow or a little yellow. So this is the yellow there I'm talking about. So let's see the parts here. We have here the machine gun rack for the Heavyarms. and we have here blue parts here, light blue parts, gray parts. Gibt es ein stand for the heavy arm, so it's very nice that there is a stand included. Very good. Bakit may ganito? This is from Kotobukiya. I put some list from Kotobukiya Congo. This is just a statement, not included by the way from this kit. So this is the Maschinengewehr, or the machine guns. So we have here 4 Maschinengewehr, meaning 4 machine guns included, and we have mostly Grau Teile, Schwarzteile, Weißteile, und wir haben Grauteile hier, dunkelblau Teile or dark blue colors, and we also have here black color parts for the armor pieces or the backpack, and they're mostly gray parts for the inner frames, and light gray or silver parts for the Maschinengewehr machine guns. So ich finde dieses Farbschema sehr schön. Es ist angenehm für die Augen, so this is pleasant to the eyes, and I find it Farbschema or the color scheme very nice. And let's check one by one the pieces. Los geht's. Bis dann. Wie üblich, lassen Sie uns eine kurze Überprüfung für die Teile haben. Wir haben hier dunkelblaue Teile. Here, dark blue color. For the backpack. This is for the backpack. And we have here bluish green colored parts for the missile hatches. Kleine gelb gefärbte Kunststoffe, so yellow plastic for the V-fins, and some I think this one for the shoulder armor. We have indigo colored parts here for the pilot cockpit, and this one schwarz gefärbte Kunststoffe for, I think this one for inner frame parts for the legs and arm. This one for the hands. Okay. I have what's this one? For the missile hatches. These are gray parts for the missile hatches. You're having here grau Teile for the legs. We're having here light gray or hellgrau farbte Kunststoff for the Maschinengewehr or the machine guns. We're having here hellblau Teile for the missile hatches and the machine gun. The chest machine gun cover. Also, we have here the missile parts that will be attached on the shoulder, the waist, and the legs, and this one the machine gun for the chest. Yep. We're having here grau Teile for the waist, the chest, and I think this one is not included for heavy arms. This is for the Nataku Gundam. So very nice. Anyway, just a bonus art. And we have here shiny or glossy gray parts for the joints. We're having here a grout tile for the feet, for the frames, inner frame for the feet. We're having here a vice tile for the armor pieces, and I think this one, for the leg armor pieces, and dark blue parts for the feet, and this one for the hands. This is runner T for the hands, and lastly we have polycaps for the joint parts. So it's not too much amount of polycaps included. And so we have here the runners for the machine gun, or in German is the Maschinengewehr. And I didn't open it yet to avoid messing up my workplace, so I will keep this first here. I'll just put it there. When I'm ready to build this, I will open it. And included in this kit is a very nice stand. You can see here, Heavy Arms Custom Mokai Master Grade model. So this is Supernova kit, and it's very nice to have stands or action bases for kits, so that I'll not buy from the third party. I'll not buy third party parts. And the bonus pack here is the machine gun stand or rack. Very nice. This is what I like with the Supernova models. And so let's build this. See you next time. Bis dan, choose, and God bless. Drew Scott, this Kimmerman from Kimmerman. Before I forgot, there is an included decal here and foil stickers for the eyes and camera lenses. We have two sets here, red, green and yellow, blue and galvan.